Hey guys, welcome back to another video. This is not a Prison Life video. This is bringing back the memories video from Prison Life. Look at this. Look how cool this is, guys, because this is an old Prison Life map. You can get on it on Roblox. It's so awesome. So let's just check out the place. This is where the cells used to be in Prison Life. It's just placed there to look like stuff. So this was in the security room, and all the doors are open because you can't. So this is where the security is. This is, and let's go in here. Okay, this leads outside. This is how you would escape.
Oh, I remember.
So let's look in here.
No, I remember you like to talk that cat.
Yeah, I remember that. So let's go into the prison yard.
Yeah, the game.
So here would be where you get this, like all your things. Like over here, there you get a hammer, and then I think over on the yeah, so let's go down here. Wait, this is kind of like a walkway, so we have to go in here. No, because I have the key. So I'm gonna leave the game, and I'm gonna see about Jailbreak. Jailbreak is
No, I have prison life now.
So I'm gonna search Prison Life.
You can pause the video and switch this move to like because these maps are totally like the cafeteria.
In game, so yeah.
I remember most of those prison games still have themselves. I mean, yeah, a lot of the games.
Prison Life, I'm getting on right now. This is one of the old Prison Lives, so yeah, let's open our Roblox and play.
I'm getting on a lot of the games.
So I'm getting on the real Prison Life, not just the map. So I'm gonna be, who should I be, Oscar? I'm gonna be a prisoner because that's how we can. I'm gonna be a guard because we can check out the place more. So yeah.
That's the prison life today.
So this, you get spawned in
The weapon room. I'm gonna join your game.
This is the newer version. They updated it more. Okay, so this is what it looks like now.
Yeah, it can.
So I'm gonna go out here. There's Prison Life people attacking.
Prison life is still. Oh my god.
Yeah.
They haven't updated it.
So I spawned on top of the roof for some reason, but that's good. I'm outside, so we can check out this area.
Yeah, it looks way different. I remember when that update happened, though. Everyone would play in prison. It was the most.
So this is the kitchen now. It looks pretty much the same as the other one. Look how much. There's only this one guy eating dinner like he's supposed to.
Yeah, that's because everybody else is punching the wall.
I see Oscar. He spawned as a.
I remember this so much.
So this is one of these used to work. Oh my gosh, this guy just pointed a gun at me. Okay.
No, arrest me. I want to be arrested so I can live. Just arrest me. Hate when they arrest me.
He killed me.
I mean, kill you instead of. Oh my god, guys! I remember.
Okay. So let's just go check out more of the place.
I'm raging. I'm
So,
Olivia, let me in the pop. Let me in the pop room. Let me in the pop room. Getting shot. No, don't go out there. You're gonna get shot. Like, look, guys, you remember
why? So I'm back in the cop room, and let's look at surveillance, because this used to not work, but I think it does now. Surveillance. It used to not work. I know it didn't. So here's the main hall. We're just gonna check out the place by surveillance.
I usually just
this is Happy Harry Potter, and yeah, this is
Can
the
I
main hall
come back
again.
in?
So the main hall cafeteria. There's 2 people in the cafeteria. This is what it used to look like. That's the place over there. And then next we're gonna go to the cell block. This is what it looks like now than earlier.
Oh no, I'm stuck. Ow.
And so yeah, this is the whole prison. So yeah. Oh my gosh, he killed me. So guys, I'm gonna get off and we're gonna check out another game. Now that we checked out the old prison life and another prison life, we're gonna do a different game that is a little funner than these prison lives. And if you want to see more of this prison life, comment down below on one of our videos. And today is video day. I forgot to mention that. So if you haven't heard of video day, on the 9th of every month, we post tons and tons of videos, live streams, and we edit our videos really well or something. So I'm going to join this person's game or this person's game. So all prison tags, magic cubes. Okay, so not a lot of people are playing. So let's go on my friend activity and see what there is. And I'm going to pick from anything on my friend activity. So what should I pick, guys? Comment down below what I should have picked or what I did pick. So I'm going to pick a side because this game is kind of fun. Not very popular, but it's kind of fun. And maybe it will become more popular once a YouTuber. No, Oscars? Okay, so we're on. Okay. Be nice? Be mean. Oh, that's a bad thing. I'm going over here.
You're gonna be against
Why? Okay, I'm gonna accept this guy person's proof.
I just ran into a tree.
So, which would you pick? Comment down below. You can play along. Comment down below.
Okay.
Oh my! Why would people be mean like that? That is so wrong. I'm like almost dead already.
I never thought about. Oh yeah, but see, I forgot about this.
I died already. Guys, which one did you pick? Please pick Be Nice because get off our channel if you're gonna be mean.
Now. And what about walking?
Okay, fine. You can
Wow.
No, seriously, we only have 5 subscribers, and yeah, it's really embarrassing because be an elephant or be a mouse. Which one would you pick? I honestly love elephants. They're cute.
Guy, why is he shooting through me? This is wrong.
I like elephants, so I picked an elephant, and let's see what other people pick. Would you be an elephant or be a mouse? Which one would you pick? Comment down below. Oh my gosh, there's only 2 people. We're definitely gonna win. Haha.
Dang it! This guy is abusing the game. Did he hack in the first place?
So yeah, we're gonna win. I'm just gonna wait over here because yeah. Let's play Would You Rather. Would You Rather is really fun too. And I think the new version, you get to actually be that thing. So before we end, we're going to go on Would You Rather. Actually, our next video will be Would You Rather. And let's end it on by starting screen. We will see you next time on Roblox, which won't be in a long time. Will not be in a long time. And hope you guys have a good day. Dun, 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 dun.